Yes, people, Mr. Easy. Yo, check this now, yeah? This is how I made 2,500 in Asia. So basically, as you can see, this is a 15-minute time frame. As you can see, look, just looking at that now, I'm going to explain something to you. See, you listen to people, you see what people do, blah, 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 blah. Listen, I've been trading 10 years. I've been looking at these charts over a 10-year period. I know, just listen, yeah? So look, I don't know what strategy you're using. I don't know what's going on, but how I look at it is that it's in your face. It's there. If you can't see it, don't trade it. If you can't see it, don't trade it. So look, 15-minute time frame. What can I see? I can see a trend. So right now, that's what I can see. What else can I see? I can see your trend. There you go. There's another one. Yeah, that's how I'm looking at it. So cool. If I go before the breakout, yeah, so that's just after the breakout. So this is before the breakout. This is what I'm seeing. Yeah, that's before the breakout. Do what you want with it. You can either put it up a bit more, whatever suits your fancy. But you get what I'm trying to say. So look, anyways, now what's going on here is price fell, yeah, came back up, tapped into this IFVG, whatever you want to call it, fair value gap, whatever, yeah, tapped into this area. This is where I got in. I've jumped in there, yeah, lovely. Look at that, beautiful. This is 15-minute candle. Let me take it down to the 5-minute time frame, yeah, so you can actually see what's going on. It's not rocket science. Look, price has broken through. Look at the size of that candle. Look at the size of that 15-minute candle. Yeah, deep it, deep it. Look at the size of that 15-minute candle. This one here, this candle right here. Yeah, look at the size of it because of the breakout. That's what you call a trade. That's a trade. I could have got in there, but who knows? It could have reacted in this area, right on this line. It could have went up from there. I needed confirmation. I needed confirmation. It broke. Bam, swept the liquidity. See that there? Liquidity got swept. Yeah. Don't worry about my setup at the moment. I'm just basically just it was anyways. But yeah, like I said, look. So we're in this area. You can see an area there. Look, some call it IFVG. Maybe again, price has tapped into this area, reacted, and look, it's fallen. Yeah, that's how I'm seeing it. That's how I'm seeing it. Anyways, I've caught it. Then I've seen, what else have I seen? Now look, what can you see straight away? Look, see that? What can you see straight away? Look, I just boom, bam. There's another one. And what did price do? What did price do when it got there? Tell me. I'll tell you. Look, it reacted. Boom, flung up. This would have been my buy. This would have been my entry. This confirmation right here. Bam. That tap into that area, I would have been in. I might even have had an entry on here, possibly, maybe here, because I like to get in. I'm a buyer. I don't like sales. I'm a buyer. I see a buyer all day long. I know what a buyer looks like all day, every day. Like I don't. People like go time frames. Me, I can go on the 1 minute straight away, see something straight away. Know it's a buy. I'm in. There's no thinking. Like yeah. But anyways, look. Don't worry, man. Everyone will see. Just you will get understand me. And how this don't worry anyway. But like I said, look, like I said, it's in your face, yeah. This is how I made it. Look, that's how I made the money. It's not rocket science. Look, price is in a trend. Boom, 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 boom. Even like look, let me go on a 5-minute candle, yeah. So I'm gonna go on a 5-minute candle. So look, check this, yeah. So look, here we got the 5-minute candle. Cool. This is what I call. So one end of the trend to another. We had the breakout here, as you can see. There's the breakout. Came straight down, tapped this area. Bam! You could have jumped in a buy here if you wanted to. You could have jumped into a buy here. Anyways, I decided to get into this buy here. As you can see, look at this area here, tapped into. This was lovely. When I saw this here, this was my confirmation. That right there. When I saw that, I was in. A sell there, I had a sell here, and I think I had a sell here. Anyways, caught it all the way down to the trend line, boom, came out. I then caught this little bit here, that little bit there. I caught that, and yeah, Asia session complete. But yeah, like I said, look, 5 minute time frame. As you can see, look at the area here. We've tapped into this area 3 times. 1, 2, 3. There's the reaction. There's your buy. So realistically, if I wasn't in the trade last night, yeah, if I wasn't in it, because I woke up like, I don't know, 4 p.m. today, yeah, went to bed at like 8:30 this morning. So if I wasn't in that sell last night, I would have been in this buy, guaranteed. I would have probably still been in it now, because I'm a buyer. And these are the longs that I catch all day, every day. If you know me, then you know me. I'm the guy that catches these. I catch monsters. Like I'm stretching. Like on a 0.5, I'm catching pips. Like I'm catching them, and I catch 1,000 pips. I catch 1,000 pips, 2,000 pips more than I catch normal pips. Like I'm not in it for I'm that guy. I'll be floating 3,000 and I'm not closing it. It will come all the way back down to 0 minus 200, and you know what I'm saying. So that's what I'm trying to explain to you. Like I catch longs. Right, I'm not here for this short. I'm catching the flip of the market. I'm catching the sweep. I'm catching it all. Like, I'm gold. I'm not being defeated by gold. I've been trading gold for 3 years now. Yeah, and yeah, man. But like I said, man, just follow me if you want to know and keep up on my journey and that, because yeah, man, it's about to get it's clicked. You know, like when it just clicks. Carl, don't listen. I'm not gonna lie to people and that. You know what I'm trying to say? Like, I've been funded. I've been funded 15 times, innit? I've blown 15 accounts. I've been funded. I've passed 30 evaluations. Look, to get funded 15 times, you got to pass 32 steps. Do you know what I'm trying to say? What stage 1 and stage 2? If you can do that, then yeah. Like, do you know what I mean? I'm not scared of the money. Like the money, this is numbers to me. This is just numbers. This is numbers. You know what I'm trying to say? People see me floating 4K, 5K. Why are you not closing? Why are you not closing? Because what am I closing it for? That's not, I can see what's going on here. I'm not closing it. You know what I'm trying to say? If it comes all the way down and cool, it's calm, innit? But at the end of the day, trust me, man, like, this trading thing's different. I've only been doing prop firms as well for under a year. I've not even, do you know what I mean? Like, my first prop firm challenge by my pass got funded, got 3 payouts out of it. Like, boom, boom. Like, do you get it? I grew up with IC markets and binary options, IQ options. Like, my story's different, anyways. But yeah, man, like I said, innit? It's in front of you. As you can see, we're in a trend clearly in a trend in between the two areas. Bam, price is gonna break either the top or the bottom. It broke through the bottom, came up into this area, fell again. Look, now it's going up. That's the trade I would have caught. This would have been the next target here. See this? See? If I was in a buy, my TP would be at this top area here. So sometimes just common sense, man. They say trading is this, that, trading is this, that. No, it's not. Trading is common sense. If you can see it and you can see it, why is it gonna hit this line and do what? Was it gonna hit the line and what? Come on, like, if you get it, what more confirmation do you need? It's literally bounced off the line 3 times. But anyways,